Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete your Windows.old folder. If everything is working as expected after upgrading to Windows 10, you probably don't need these files as they will just be wasting precious hard drive space. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to delete the Windows.old folder and other files that can be taking more than 20 gigabytes of storage space on your computer. However, you can't press the delete key and make it disappear. So let's see the process. Okay, go to the PC, then right click the hard drive where you have installed your Windows 10. Right click it and then click properties, then click disk cleanup. Okay, wait for a few seconds, then click the cleanup system files. Okay, then wait for a few seconds. So I have skipped the part where it was calculating the amount of space which will be free from my hard drive. If you have more free space, then it will take more time to calculate. So as you can see here, that there is an option called previous Windows installation files. So you can see that about 27.5 gigabyte it has occupied. Now I'll free it, I'll delete it. I check this one, and you can also delete other files like temporary upgrade files, Windows upgrade log files, temporary internet files as well, then other files like temporary files, okay, to free up more space. So let's click OK now. Okay, then there will be an option called delete files. Okay, I'll click delete files. So it will be cleaning up the drive. It will take a lot of time, as you can see it's about so yes, if this option occurs, like if you want to clean up the previous Windows installation files, it's a warning sign. You just click yes. It's nothing actually. Okay, it may come several times, so every time click yes. As you can see, I have 8.74 gigabyte space right now in my hard drive. After this, there will be more space, so I'll skip the part where it will be cleaning up my drive. As you can see, it's almost done. It's almost finished. It took me about 9 minutes to clean up the whole drive. It will take a little bit more time to clean up, so let's just wait. So you can see that the process is done, and you can see that it's about 21.1 GB free space right now, and it was so easy, and you don't need those files if you don't want to go back to your previous version. So it's really safe. So if you have a simplest doubt that you want to go back to your previous version, or you need those files, then I will recommend not to delete it, but it's better to delete if you are having no problems with your version of Windows 10. So I hope you like this video, and please do subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.